So this is the profile of fixed capital method of partners capital account under fixed capital method. Partners capital account under fixed capital method. See, whatever is the balance of the capital, it is written as by balance brought down in a credit side. Okay, whatever the amounts are against, see, this is X is the partner and Y is the partner. For the partnership, you have to maintain as many as number of partners are there, you have to maintain columns like this. Okay, and the respective entries of that partner are made in the respective columns. Okay, whatever transactions against that of the partner are made in the specific columns. Okay, so this much of capital was brought by, or capital carried brought forward by partner X and partner Y last year's, because it is, as it is written by balance brought down, means this is an existing company and this is the closing balance of last year and the opening balance of this year. Now what does this mean? By cash or bank account, always this is the first entry. By cash or bank account, if the additional capital is introduced in the business later on, then it is brought either in kind of cash or in kind of bank, by bank. So what was the amount brought by X, brought by Y is written over here. This is the again in credit side. And if capital is brought in kind of asset, then it is again also written in their respective columns. The amount is written in the respective columns. Then this total of the credit side is done. See, total of the credit side is done. Then this, if any no withdrawals are over here, then this is the balancing figure. This is what? Balancing figure. Balancing figure. So this is the balancing figure, and the same will be same will be the balancing figure of the total amount, and that would be the two balance carried down, and for next year it would be the two balance brought down. Okay, same as it is. So this is done in partners capital account only if additional capital is brought in terms of cash or asset is introduced over here. Okay, is written over here, and here only permanent withdrawal, nothing else. No any day-to-day transactions are maintained in part. Okay, so this is the pro forma for partners capital account under fixed capital method. See, okay, two columns as there. For example, there are two partners named X and Y. Then two columns are drawn and their debits and credit side are shown. Then what is the first entry? See, by balance brought down is the first entry, is the first ever entry for partners capital account, and the amount are written against the partners names. Okay, so this is the first ever entry for partners capital account. What is by balance brought down? What is next? See, if additional capital is brought in terms of cash or bank, then it would be the second entry, and the amounts are written as much of amount has been brought by the partners. This would be the second entry. If the capital is brought in terms of assets by any of the partners, then it is also written against their names. Okay, then what is done? See, the total of all the transactions under each partner are done. Okay, so this is the totaling is done of all the things. Okay, next, total are also matched with the debit side. Then what is done? What is the next thing? See, this is the total of the credit side, opening balance, additional capital brought, or additional capital brought in terms of assets. So this is the total of the credit side. Okay, and this is the same matched, and whatever is the balance, remaining balance, this is the balancing figure. Okay, because nothing is there in this example, in this pro forma. So this is the balancing figure which is shown as to balance carried down. This is balancing figure. Okay, this is balancing figure. Okay, and this balancing figure is the closing balance which is shown as opening balance to the next year, that is by balance brought down, the same figures. Okay, next, what did we do in the earlier earlier pro forma. See, when additional capital was introduced by the partners, the entry was cash or bank account debit to partners account. Okay, being additional capital introduced in the business. When capital is brought in by the partners in form of assets, okay, in form of assets, then the same, instead of cash, it will become asset account debit to partners capital account. Why? Cash or bank are coming in the partners capital account, assets are coming in the partners capital account. Okay, only these two entries were there in the first simple pro forma. Now let's see partners current account. When fixed capital method adopted by the partnership firm, see what cannot be done? Day-to-day entries cannot be done. So a new separate account is opened. That is, partner's current account is opened. In this account, all the other adjustment related entries to the capital account are entered. All the remaining entries are recorded. Partner's current account may show the debit or credit balance. Okay, it may show debit or it may show credit balance also. Why, when, how, that will see discuss later on. Okay, see which other transactions are maintained in current account. Drawings made by the partner, then any assets taken over by the partner as drawings. Okay, goods or any assets taken as a drawing. Interest on partner's capital allowed, interest is given to the partner's capital. Okay, then interest on a partner's drawings charged. If they have taken any drawings, then interest must be charged from there, and here is the interest given to them. Okay, and here interest is taken from them in simple words. Okay, this is interest allowed, means interest amount given to them, and interest charge means interest is taken from them. Okay, so entry of this would be exactly opposite with entry of this opposite. Okay, next, salary, commission, etc. payable to the partner. What? Salary, commission payable. Okay, so partners will get it. Okay, again the same distribution of profit and loss. Okay, for loss it is different and for profit it is different. Okay, profit it is given and loss is always adjusted. Remember the verb adjusted. Loss is always adjusted and profit is apportioned. Okay, distributed. Profit is distributed. Okay, and loss, there is nothing to do in the loss, so loss is always adjusted. Always remember these things. Okay, so this, for these entries, for maintaining these entries, which account is created? Partners current account. Okay, because we don't touch partners capital account, right? For the remaining entries we make the partners current account. See, partners current account. In partners capital account, we write accounting entries which are related to the main capital. Okay, but apart from this, there can be many other transactions, right? Day-to-day transactions occurring in the entire year relevant to their capital. Okay, so partners capital account is, partners current account is maintained for the purpose. Okay, see, opening balance is given, that is a credit balance. Then interest on capital, interest is given. Okay, interest on the capital, it is written over here. Salaries are given, interest are given, commission is given to the partners. Okay, same, if they have earned the profit, then profit is shared, distributed. Okay, profit is distributed from profit and loss account. Okay, that is also given. So all the things are given. Okay, we'll talk about this later on. Now, if they have incurred a loss last year, say, then this would be balance brought down. Okay, either this should be there or this should be here there. Then drawings, partners have drawn something from the business, either in terms of cash or goods. Interest on drawings, they have drawn something and we have to charge the interest on some interest also on the drawings. Okay, then profit and loss account, if there is a loss, okay, there is a loss in the business, then loss must be shared. Okay, that is, loss must be adjusted between the two partners as per the ratio or whatever has been agreed in the agreement or in partnership deed. In that ratio they have to distribute the loss, they have to distribute the profit. Similarly, they have to distribute the loss. But at this time, either profit would be there or loss would be there. So this could be the balancing figure or this could be the balancing figure. Okay, if this is the balancing figure, then Next year this should be the balance brought down. If this is the balancing figure, then next year this should be the balance brought down. Okay, but generally everybody's motive for starting a business is to get the profit. Okay, so if the profit is there, then there will be a balance carried down. There to the debit balance, and the balance will come here for the next year. Okay, see, when we maintain the partner's capital account, what is the pro forma? See, always buy balance brought down will come, that is the credit balance will come first, or to balance by brought down, that the debit balance will come first. Okay, then remaining all the interest regarding interest on capital, salaries, commission, then profit, whatever the distribution of profit is shared. Okay, then this amount, this total is carried out, and the drawings, interest on drawings and share, all these total are deducted from this amount. Okay, this and this amount is same, and the total of these amounts is deducted from this total. Okay, so the balance, this would be the balancing figure. Okay, if this side is bigger, then this would be the balancing figure. Okay, if debit side is bigger, means they have more losses, more drawings. Okay, when this will happen, when debit side will be bigger, see, if they have more drawings, okay, more losses, then the profits and gains, then there would be, this side will be the bigger. Okay, and the balancing amount will come to this side. Okay, and this will go to the, this will go here for the next year. Okay, if if profit, if loss is there, then this will come over here for the next year. Accounting entries regarding day-to-day activities with respect to partners capital account are recorded in partners current account. Okay, like interest on capital, salary, commission, drawings, interest on drawings, distribution of profit and loss account, all are maintained in the partners current account. Okay, which are day-to-day entries, again and again I am revising, like interest on capital, which is to be given to the partners, salary to be given to the partners, commission to be given to the partners, drawings partners has taken from the business, we have to charge the interest on drawings which he has taken. Okay, distribution of profit or loss, all these accounting entries are recorded in separate accounts called as partners current account. Its amount can be debit or credit also. If there are more drawings, okay, if there are more drawings or loss in business, okay, then what? Then salaries, commission, okay, earned profit, okay, loss, this drawings or loss means debit side is bigger, then this current account can have debit balance also. Okay, when debit, when it can have debit balance, when debit side will be bigger. Okay, always remember, if debit side is bigger, the remaining balance is called as debit balance. If credit side is bigger, then remaining balance is called as credit balance. Okay. Here, by balance brought down is the balance of current account given in the problem. If this balance is given as credit balance, simply you have to write it in the credit side. Okay. In the problem, it is given as current account has a credit balance, so you have to write it at the credit balance, credit side. Okay, as by balance brought down. If debit balance of current account is given, if the balance is given as debit balance, okay, in the problem, then it is written as to balance brought down in the opening balance, that is opening balance in the debit side. Okay, interest on capital is the interest given on capital account, and it is written at the credit side, right? What it is interest on capital that is given, right, given on capital account, and it is written at the credit side of the partner's account, partner's current account, partner's current account. Please note that no interest, never interest is given on the current account. Okay, account interest is only always given in the partner's capital account. Okay, because what is there in current account? Only day-to-day transactions are maintained. After entering all the transactions of the partner's current account, if the total of the credit side is bigger or total of the credit side is more, I had showed you. Okay, this is the credit side and this is the debit side. Suppose there are two partners. If total of the credit side, okay, if total of the credit side is bigger, this is bigger. Okay, if the total of the credit side is bigger than the total of the debit side, then total of the debit side is deducted from the total of the credit side amount. This is smaller, right? So it is deducted from this, total is deducted from this amount. Okay, total of the credit side amount of each partner, right? This is done for him and him. Total is done for him and him. Then this balancing figure, there would be a balancing figure, that is two balance carried down. Here would be a two balance carried down, right? Two balance carried down is shown as liability side of the balance sheet. Where it will go? This two balance carried down amount will go to the liability side of the balance sheet. This same amount will go to the liabilities of the balance sheet. Last year's balance transferred to next year is written as balance brought down. Remember, last year's balance transferred to the next year is always, remember, is written as last year's. Okay, last year's is written as balance brought down. If is credit balance, then it is written as by balance brought down. Okay, and if it is debit balance, then it is written as to balance brought down. Okay, if it is a debit balance, then remember to balance brought down, and if it is a credit balance, remember by balance brought down. Okay, if the partnership firm is existing since last year, then that amount which is carried down last year becomes brought down in current year. Okay, last year carried down and becomes brought down in the current year at the start of the current year, means at the start top right by balance brought down. See, which transactions are done? Interest allowed on partners' capital, salary or commission allowed to partners, cash or goods taken over by the partners for their personal use, interest charged on drawings of the partners, transfer of net profit and distribution of net loss. We'll take examples. Okay, and these are the effects in profit and loss account. See, Anand and Bharat are partners. Okay, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3. See, when a problem comes, you have to underline. What we have to see first, that you have to underline. Anand and Bharat, okay, whatever their names are. Okay, they are sharing their profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3. Means 2 is the share of Anand and 3 is the share of Bharat. On 1st April 2019, the capital balance are Anand having 60,000 and Bharat having 30,000 on 1st April 2019. Their drawings are rupees 12,000 and rupees 10,000 respectively. Means Anand has drawn 12,000 rupees and Bharat has drawn 10,000 rupees from the business. As per the agreement, partners are allowed 10% interest on capital. See, what is their capital? 60,000 and 30,000. They have been allowed 10% interest on their capital. Okay, so 10% interest on their capital. Okay, and interest on drawings is to be charged at 12%. 12% on drawings. Okay, 12% interest on drawings. Anand gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month. Remember, here it is given 2,500. And who? Anand. Bharat is entitled to get a commission. What Bharat is getting? Commission. Of what? At what rate? It is in percentage. 3%. Bharat gets 3% commission on what? On net sales. Okay. On net sales, if net sales are means Bharat must be something relevant to marketing. He must be doing some marketing activities or some promotion activities, some advertising activities. That's why he has been entitled to get a commission. Okay. Anand would not be doing such activities. Bharat must be doing some such activities. That's why he is entitled to get the commission. On what? On net sales, because he must be directly related with sales, like doing sales related activities, marketing, promotion, advertising, like this. So he will, because the customers are increasing because of him. Okay, because of his extra work done. So he is given 3% commission. The net sales was rupees 5 lakhs. So he must have contributed some of his work, some of his time. That's why the sale has been increased. So the commission will be given 3% to him. The firm's profit is rupees 60,000. Okay. Why it is given? Because we have to distribute it to them in the ratio of 2:3. Prepare partners capital account for the year ended 31st March 2019 under fixed capital account and fluctuating capital account. But we have seen only fixed capital account. Okay, so we'll make under fixed capital. Now let's start. This is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. Fixed capital account, we will draw this first. We will write solution fixed capital account. Fixed capital method. What we are doing? Partners capital account. Okay, now what did I say? In partners capital account, we just write about the capital, main capital. Okay, not the daily transactions. Whatever they received, whatever they withdrawn, that is not drawings is not written over here. Okay, so how many people are there? Anand and Bharat. So this is the column for Anand, and this is the column for Bharat. Okay, this is the debit, this is for debit side, this is the column for Anand, and this is the column for Bharat for credit side. Okay, so Anand, but how much amount Anand brought? Balance are not brought. Last year balance is 60,000. So buy balance brought down. Anand is 60,000. Okay, we have to write against Anand's column. And Bharat's last year balance is rupees 30,000. Okay, there are no any. So we are maintaining capital account, right? So we don't have to think about all these things. So total of the capital account is 60,000 and 30,000. We don't have to bother about this in transactions. Okay. Debit side. Is there any big withdrawn by them, done by them? No. So this would be the total, and this itself will be the balancing figure or balancing amount. Okay. Balancing figure. Okay. See, balance carried down. Rupees 60,000 against Anand and rupees 30,000 against Bharat. And this same balance would be the opening balance for the next year as by balance brought down. Right? As it came, it would have come from the last year's to balance carried down. Okay? Same. This is also very simple. Now let's see how to make the current account of the same. Okay? Now current account of the same. See, as per the agreement, partners are allowed 10% interest on capital, 10% interest on capital. 10%. What is their capital? 60,000. What is 10% of 60,000? 6,000. So interest on capital account, again same, it is drawn like same. Okay. This is of Anand. This is of Bharat. This is of Anand. This is of Bharat. Okay. Interest on capital. 60,000 at the rate of 10% interest. Okay. So 60,000 into 10, 6,000 interest is given to Anand, and 30,000 into 10, 30,000 interest is given to Bharat. Okay. Now what? Next see what? Anand gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month. Okay. Anand gets salary of 2,500 per month. So salary is given to Anand only. If 2,500 is for 1 month, then for 12 months it is 30,000. Okay. So we have to multiply it by 2,500 into 12 because it is per annum. Okay. Per annum. And for what period do we make the capital account or current account? For the entire year. Okay. So salary he got 30,000. Okay. Then Bharat is entitled to get commission at rupees at 3%. It is given in percent on net sales, which is rupees 5 lakh. So we will give him 3% commission. Sale is 5 lakh. 5 lakh into 3%. That is what? 15,000. So commission rupees 50,000 return against B's column, Bharat's column. Okay. Next, profit is also distributed. The firm's profit is rupees 60,000. It is distributed to two of them in the ratio of 2:3. So how it should be done? See, how much is the profit? 60,000, right? 60,000. It is distributed to them in 2:3 ratio. So what is the total proportion? What is the total proportion they have? 5. Out of the 5, his proportion is 2, Anand's proportion is 2, and Bharat's proportion is 5. Why 5? 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Means there are total 5 shares. Out of those 5, his share is 2 and his share is 3. Okay. So 60,000 into 2 upon 5. To whom? To Anand. 60,000 into 2 upon 5 will be given to Anand. So calculate 60,000 into 2 upon 5. It becomes 24,000. Okay. And to Bharat it is 3 by 5. So 60,000 into 3 by 5. Okay. To whom? To Bharat. So it will become 36,000. Okay. So we have distributed profit also. We have given them salaries. Commission is also given. So the total of this side is 60,000 and 54,000 respectively for A and B. Okay. Now we will write the same amount over here, 60,000 and 54,000. Now they have done the drawings. A has done the drawing rupees 12,000 and B has done the drawing of rupees 10,000. So we have written it in the debit side. What? Debit decreases the amount, right? And credit side increases, right? So due to drawing, the amount, the figure amount has been decreased, right? So drawings we always write to the debit side. 12,000 because it is personal account. 12,000 and 10,000 we have written. Then 10% interest on the capital we have done. Interest on drawings is to be charged at 12%, right? So here again interesting thing. How much have they given the date or the period or the time when they have done the drawing? It is not given there, right? It is not mentioned on which date they did the drawing. He, or another thing can be, another issue can be, he may have drawn on some one other day, and he could have drawn on another day. It can be at the start of the financial year, it can be at the middle of the financial year, can be also at the end of the financial year. But it is not mentioned that at what time, in which day they have done the drawing. So, in which case, as we have seen in the provisions of for partnership account, when nothing regarding date is not mentioned, then what is done? Interest is to be charged on average of 6 months. Interest is to be charged on their drawing on average of 6 months. Okay, 6 months. Now, 12,000 is the drawing done by Anand. We have to charge by 12%. So 12%, 12,000 to 12% becomes 1440, right? 1440 is for the entire year. But for how much months we have to charge? We have to consider average as 6 months. So 1400, 6 months means 1440 into 6 divided by 12. How many months are there? 12, right? Average of 6 months out of 12 months, right? Average of 6 months out of 12 months. So 1440 into 6 by 12 is equal to 720. So 720 is the interest we have charged on A's drawing. Similarly, B has drawn rupees 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 into 1200 is equal to 1,200, right? Because interest rate for drawings is 12%. 12% on 10,000 is 1,200 into 6 by 12. That becomes 6,000, right? So 6,000 is the interest on drawing. So we have to deduct this total from this total which we brought from here, okay, and we have to deduct this total from this total, okay, which we have brought as the same from here, okay. So the balancing figure, balancing amount, that is 47,280 is the balance carried down for Anand, and 43,400 is the balance carried down for Bharat, okay. This means they are in profit this year, okay. See, this much of balance is remaining with them, with Anand and Bharat. So this is the balance carried down. This will go as a balance brought down next year. In this way, we have to solve the problems of partnership, okay, by maintaining the fixed capital, under fixed capital method, we have to maintain partners capital account and partners current account. In capital account, only the entries regarding new capital brought in, extra capital brought in terms of cash or asset, is only done in credit side, and at the debit side, only big withdrawals are done, permanent withdrawals are done, that those are deducted, okay. Remaining all entries, day-to-day transactions and other entries are done in partner's current account. A separate account is made. Okay. Note: current account balance may appear either side, that is debit side or credit side. When it appears credit side, when they had profit last year. Okay, means their credit side was bigger. Okay, then there must be a profit. Credit balance would be there. If they had more losses and drawings, okay, than the credit side, then the profit side, then the commission and salaries, then there would be a debit balance, okay, last year, and this year it will become a debit balance. In absence of any instructions, the capital account should be prepared by fluctuating capital method. See, if nothing has been mentioned in your problem, prepare accounts for partners. Then if it is not mentioned as fixed capital account properly, then you have to make it by fluctuating capital method. That we'll see in the next lecture. Interest on loan of partners is treated as liability. Interest on loan of partners is treated as liability. So it is credited to partners current account. Okay. But when there is no current account and partners are maintaining fluctuating capital method, then interest on loan on partner is credited to partners capital account.